Hi, my name is Kristen Cernick and I'm a 4th grade science teacher here at Ethel Schoeffner Elementary. Welcome to my science classroom and lab. That's right, I have to use this space for both purposes. You can see we have quite a bit of clutter in here. That's because we have to store all of our materials in our classroom. Unfortunately, some of our materials are even blocking access to our classroom libraries. So our students are having difficulty reaching all of our books due to our materials needing to be stored in this small space. You can see a wall of cabinets. I've had to put my Tetris skills to use. Let's hope nothing falls out at us. Check this out here. We have some more materials stored in this cabinet area right here. We have a few materials out because we'll be making some catapults today. Obviously we'll be going outside because in this space there won't be enough room to do that in a safe environment. As you can see, shoved away to the corners of the classrooms, we have a few extra desks. Those desks are not for students. Those desks are for when I need to set up makeshift tables for us to be able to conduct experiments in our classrooms. So there's one experiment in particular in 4th grade where we test different sediments to see how they are eroded. You can see we have some erosion tables with the tubes and the containers and all the different sediments. That requires a lot of time to set up and take down, which is digging into our instructional time. With the help of this grant, we can get rid of that problem by making over a new space for a classroom lab. Come check out the area we plan to use. Check out this space. It would be perfect for a lab makeover. While it might look like a computer lab to you, with a makeover, we can utilize it as a science lab and as a computer lab. We have lots of area that we can use for storage to get all of those materials out of our classrooms. And we could also use all of this space to have experiments set up ahead of time and ready for students to reduce that loss of instructional time. We could have the experiments prepared so that when students come in, they can get started right away. There's also a lot more space for the students to be able to work with one another. Even the catapult experiment that we're doing today, in a big area like this, the students could conduct these experiments inside if they had to, with much more space than what we have in a regular classroom. Winning a lab makeover would help to increase instructional time, which would help children to be more successful. What a wonderful opportunity it would be.